Today I'm testing out which braid produces the best results for heatless curls. French braid, rope twist, or fishtail braid. Let's begin. We have the 3 sections. We have the middle section, which is going to be the French braid. One or the other is going to be either a rope or a fishtail braid. All right, and I am going to dampen my hair slightly each section. Guys, I haven't braided short hair in so long. I feel so out of my element right now. French braid is where you take the outer sections and you go over the middle. So it's basically the opposite of a Dutch. Are you kidding me right now? It's so tiny. It's this big. Look at that little ponytail. All right, I think next I'm gonna do a fishtail just because this one's gonna take the longest. I've actually never done a fishtail braid and like slept with it. I never actually tested out the curl, so I'm really curious. If you have, do you like it? What are the results? I guess we'll find out tomorrow, but I'm just honestly curious. All right, that's as far as this is gonna go. Honestly, not bad, right? Looks pretty good. All right, so you see the rope braid, it's nice and twisted, it's not unraveling. I'm excited to see all 3 of these results and which one we like best. Which side do you guys think is gonna look best tomorrow morning? Babe, which one do you think is gonna look best?
I'm gonna put my money on the rope twist.
He's put his money on the rope twist. Same here. I'm excited. All right, I'm gonna go to bed. Are we ready to see the results the next morning? Because I am. They actually slept pretty good, surprisingly. Was not painful. Doesn't feel sticky. All right, let's see what this looks like. Do we look like a hot mess? Does this one look better? It looks slightly better. I mean, this one has more like a zigzag wave. There's way more definition. All right, let's move on to the last braid. All right, you guys, so what do we think? Which side looks best? Or which braid looks best? Which curls came out the best? My least favorite results are definitely the French. Or was it French? No, it was a Dutch fishtail braid. It wasn't French. I was going underneath, so it was a Dutch fishtail braid. It just didn't create as much definition. It created not even the frizz, because you can tame the frizz. It looks really inconsistent and the curls look really uneven. Just doesn't look the best in my opinion. And then the French braid, I actually like the French braid. It reminds me of a Dutch braid, but the French braid has a little bit more of like a sharper edge around the curl. I prefer a Dutch braid over this, and I like that the curls are a little bit bigger. I think they actually look pretty good. And then we have the rope twist. I think the rope twist definitely created really nice waves, and definitely I'll have to play around with it more just to see which way I want it to go and all that good stuff, but I think my favorite was the rope twist results.
Mine too.
Really? We called it. We thought it was gonna be our favorite. Honestly, I'm not really hating on this hairstyle. Look at that volume. But still, the hair moves very easily. It doesn't look dry. But I do want to do a video for you guys. A lot of you asked the difference between a mousse and a balm in your hair for braids. So if you guys want to see that video as well. And I was thinking maybe do more intricate braids, like a 4-strand braid, and see what the curls look like there. I think that would be a really cool result if you guys want to see something like that. But yes, we are gonna get there, and we're gonna create the most perfect heatless curls ever. We are doing little trial and errors, but we're getting closer, you guys. We're getting closer. They have a very pretty bend from the very top to the bottom. That's my opinion. But honestly, I would just add some oil to this hairstyle, maybe throw in a couple of different curls with a very tiny curling wand or a curling barrel, and yeah, I would just go for it and just rock this hairstyle, honestly. Throw in like in a little half bun. Like I said, I'm not gonna touch my hair right now because we're gonna film another video with a hair tool, and I don't wanna apply oil to this hair. I'm gonna apply it afterwards, but basically to tone this down, to really chill this out, just apply a little bit of hair oils. Maybe after you put in a little bit of defined curls with a tiny little curling wand, and then that's the hairstyle. Super easy, quick, and very effortless in my opinion.
As you turn.
Andre's telling me that you can totally see the differences in the curls as I make my way around, starting from the worst, ending with the best. It's just, there's just not much definition happening here. That's the problem. Which I kind of assumed, but then I just still wanted to see how the results would be with the fishtail braid. So keep that in mind. So for my experimenting, the best results produced from chunky braids, like a rope twist, French twist, not a French twist, French braid, like a Dutch braid. I'm thinking even like a 4-strand braid might produce really pretty results just because it is a chunkier braid. You're using a lot more sections. And yeah, that's my discovery. Chunkier braids produce better curls / waves. They just look more defined. There's a lot more curl happening, and yeah, I'm taking a note of that. Let me know which kind of braids work best for you for heatless curls and why. How do you do them? What do you do to prep them? Do you put any product in there? What kind of product do you put afterwards to keep the longevity of them? But for now, you guys, thanks so much for watching. Let me know if you wanted to see those videos that I mentioned in this video, and I will see you in the next one very soon. Bye.